In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage inventory in Xero. We'll walk through where to go inside your Xero account to find your products and how to edit, duplicate, archive, or delete your inventory items. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option does so you can keep your product list clean and accurate. Start by opening your browser and going to Xero's website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're in the right organization, especially if you manage more than one business in Xero, because your inventory is specific to each organization. Once you're on the main Xero dashboard, look for the main menu bar near the top of the screen. From here, you're going to navigate to your inventory through the sales section because Xero treats products and services as things you sell to customers. Find and click on the sales option in that top menu. This will open the sales area where you might usually see things like invoices, quotes, and customer information. Within the sales area, look for an option labeled Products and Services. Go ahead and click that. This is the central place where Xero stores all of the items you buy and sell, including physical inventory items and non-stock services. When this page loads, you'll see a list of all your existing products and services, usually in a table with columns like item code, description, price, and quantity on hand for tracked items. Take a moment to scan this list so you're familiar with how your items are organized. You can usually sort or search if you need to find something specific. Once you've located the item you want to manage, move your mouse over that row. On the right-hand side of that item's row, you'll see an icon with three dots, often called the More or Options menu. Click on those three dots to open a small menu of actions you can take for that item. This is where Xero gives you quick access to manage individual products and services. From here, you'll see options such as Edit, Duplicate, Archive, and Delete. If you choose Edit, you'll open the item's details where you can update things like the item name, description, sales price, purchase price, and account codes. This is useful when pricing changes or you want to improve the descriptions that appear on invoices. If you select Duplicate, Xero will create a copy of that item. This is handy when you're adding a new product that's very similar to an existing one. Instead of starting from scratch, you can duplicate the old item and then change just the details that are different, like the name or price. The archive option lets you remove an item from active use without completely deleting its history. Archived items won't appear in your regular item list when creating new invoices or bills, but past transactions that use that item will stay intact. This is a good choice for products you no longer sell but still want in your records. Finally, the delete option completely removes the item, but only if it's not used in any transactions. If Xero doesn't allow you to delete it, consider archiving instead. That's all there is to it. By going to Sales, then Products and Services, selecting an item and using the three-dot menu, you can keep your Xero inventory organized and up to date.